The Maginot Line is one of the most famous military fortifications in history, often symbolizing both engineering genius and strategic miscalculation. Built by France in the interwar period, it was intended as a massive defensive barrier against a potential German invasion. Stretching across the northeastern frontier, the Maginot Line was a behemoth of concrete, steel and firepower, representing France's determination to avoid the devastation of World War I, but it would ultimately face one of history's most infamous failures. Origins and purpose. After the horrors of World War I, France sought to prevent a repeat of the devastating German invasions that had destroyed much of its northern territories. Construction began in 1930 under the direction of André Maginot, the French Minister of War, after whom the line is named. The line was designed to protect France's industrial heartland, secure its borders, and deter German aggression. It was not intended as an offensive structure but rather as a static defensive system, buying time for mobilization and reinforcing France's military strength. Structure and features. The Maginot Line was a complex network of fortifications, combining underground bunkers, artillery emplacements, and troop accommodations. Fortresses and casemates. Heavy concrete fortresses housed artillery, machine guns, and infantry. Underground tunnels. Extensive tunnels connected barracks, ammunition stores, and command centers, allowing soldiers to move safely during attacks. Rail and tram systems. Subterranean railways enabled rapid movement of troops and supplies along the line. Anti-tank obstacles and minefields, designed to slow enemy advances and protect the fortifications. At its height, the Maginot Line extended approximately 450 miles, 725 kilometers, from Switzerland to Luxembourg, though it famously did not extend through the Ardennes forest, which was deemed impassable. Military philosophy. The Maginot Line embodied the French military philosophy of defense in depth. Delay and deter. It was intended to slow down enemy forces, giving the French army time to mobilize. Force multiplication. Well-armed fortresses could withstand prolonged attacks, allowing fewer troops to hold strategic positions. Psychological impact. Its imposing structure was meant to intimidate potential aggressors. The fall and strategic failure. Despite its massive construction, the Maginot Line famously failed during World War II. In May 1940, German forces bypassed the main line by invading through Belgium and the Ardennes forest, a region the French considered naturally defended. The Germans used Blitzkrieg tactics, combining tanks, infantry, and air support, rendering the static fortifications largely irrelevant. Many fortresses held out heroically but were surrounded and isolated, ultimately surrendering without significantly slowing the German advance. This event became a textbook example of the limitations of static defense in modern warfare. Legacy. The Maginot Line remains a symbol of both military ambition and strategic misjudgment. Engineering marvel. Its underground tunnels, reinforced concrete, and logistical systems were unmatched at the time. Lesson in flexibility. Modern warfare requires mobility and adaptability. No matter how strong a defense, a rigid strategy can be outflanked. Tourism and preservation. Many sections are now open to visitors, offering insights into France's interwar military strategy and life inside the fortresses. The Maginot Line was a behemoth of military engineering, reflecting France's determination to prevent another devastating invasion. While it showcased incredible planning, construction, and firepower, it also highlighted the dangers of over-reliance on static defenses in an era of rapid mechanized warfare. Today it stands as a monument to human ingenuity, cautionary strategic planning, and the complex history of World War II.